Hi guys, this is Bullish Buds, your crypto trading buddy. So today we're gonna talk about all-time high and all-time low. So ano ba yung all-time high? Yung all-time high, ito yung pinakamataas na presyong inabot na isang coin sa buong history na to. So as you can see, I'm sharing my screen and we're seeing the price chart of Bitcoin. And kung makikita ninyo dito sa pinakababa, ang pinakamataas na presyong inabot niya currently or recently is yung 126,000. So from the bottom, yung price niya ay umakyat hanggang 126,000. Therefore, ito yung pinakamataas na presyong inabot ng Bitcoin. And ito yung all-time high. So ano naman yung isa? Yung all-time low. So yung all-time low, yun naman yung kabaliktaran lang. Ito yung pinakamababang presyo na naitala ng coin sa buong history na ito. So meron akong another example dito which is yung edge. And kung makikita ninyo, then from the top, dito, from 1.5 na price, bumagsak siya hanggang 0.27. So ito, yung pinakamababang presyo na naabot ng price, therefore, ito yung all-time low. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat.